So I went through all my stuff, and I think I'm ready to get rid of all this stuff, so it's time for fire to burn it. So yeah, I got my little grill here, and we're going to pray that nothing starts on fire. And if it does start on fire, this video will prove that I did not do anything wrong in the situation. Alright, so here we go.
I see no fire.
It's fine.
I see little tiny bits of baby bits. I want to see some real. Let's get action.
Stay away.
What do you want? Whoa, look at the fire.
Everybody stay away. Everything was bad memories, so it's all gone by right now. And my little bonfire here. Is there like, is it even showing fire or anything?
Yeah, it's showing fire.
Okay. Ah, that's just a
Look at the wall.
Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
It's burning. I think the fire is under control.
You only get flashlight? That should be. Hey, this is Johnny, so don't tell him that I let him use this. He doesn't like this, but nobody uses this. Why are you trying to make it look spooky?
Is it, oh yeah, is it showing it? Like, is it showing the fire?
No.
It's not?
Not fire, it's smoke.
Well, is it showing the paper?
Yeah, it's showing paper. And smoke. Yeah, smoke. Your flashlight. Not the flashlight, the light.
All these bad memories from all these years. Burned. Yeah, so this was my 2010 change to get rid of old memories and to start things new, and got rid of old diaries and poems and bad pictures I wrote, and I just discovered that there's just no need for it. So yeah, so there it is. All burned up. So yeah, all right.
Whoa.